Rigetti Quantum Computing stock is reporting earnings today. There's three things you have to know before this happens. The first is their overall trend. They have this resistance level at $11 that they've previously gotten rejected at. But even though they've gotten rejected at this level, they recently have this trend that's pushing up. And while it looks overextended, this level could act as a support, as it has in the past many times, and previous resistance oftentimes acts as support in a bullish environment. The second thing most people don't realize about quantum computing is they have this $2.7 billion stimulus from the US government that was recently passed, which will impact some of the revenue coming into these quantum computing companies. We pair that with Rigetti's recent news of $5 to $10 million contracts with a $35 million purchase from Quanta Computer, increased positions from BlackRock, Vanguard, State Street, Goldman Sachs, and others, and this Majorana chip that came out from Microsoft seems to be a perfect fit for this QPU. Is it a coincidence they're partners with AWS, Microsoft, and NASA? And the question we're all asking for after hours is, can that show up in some positive revenue that Rigetti investors have been waiting for some time? If you want to stay up to date and watch me trade live, make sure to subscribe and follow the channel for more.